Hello YouTube. So Goa ride is over. Now I am on my way to Shirley Fall, and this is Yellapur highway. I am inside a deep forest, deep dense forest. So we have arrived Shirley Falls, and this is the parking condition. After that you need to walk. Earlier I have seen like people, they were allowing to ride your bike in this road, but now he's saying like it's been restricted by police, maybe due to accidents or something. But it's really going to be painful for me because it's already 2. I had to reach Bangalore today, plus this 2 kilometers of walking. While going it's fine, I think while coming back it will be very painful. But क्या करें, इतना दूर आए हैं तो देख ही लेते हैं. Oh, it's too tiring. Wow. Look at this place.
We're
So this is Shirley Falls for you guys. It seems like water is a bit less and it have been different, means like you can see all dark patches over there. That means water used to flow all over those cliffs, but now since monsoon is over, so water has become flow of water has become less. So in that area also you can see waterfall is there, another one small was there, and here is the main waterfall. There is a pool kind of thing also, and enjoy. But since now I'm wearing this riding boot and pant, so I'll be taking a leave. Next time I'll try to visit again, and I'll plan to take a bath also. So it's already 2:30. I have to head back Bangalore. Now comes the most painful part, is returning. It's very steep, so you need to be careful while walking also. Rest of thing, and maximum whatever waterfall you go, you need to walk. Need to put some additional physical effort. I'm sweating badly. So signing off from Shirley Fall, and hopefully this is going to be my last ride of this season, because summer have already approached, and you know how painful it is to ride during summer, and plus you need to walk and all. Meanwhile, if I'll plan somewhere, then I'll keep you posting, but normally our riding season or traveling season is from August till February. This is the top view. So that is the main fall. Water is falling. We're taking a leap over that Chatan cliff. Oh, it's really painful to climb all the steps. It's very uneven, and plus I'm wearing this riding boot, riding pant. चल भाई, जोर लगा. Oy. Look at my shoes. Motorcycle shoes. But I did trekking today. It was really long and tiring trekking. So signing off from Shirley Fall. See you soon in another new destination. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your subscription really helped me to grow. See you soon. Bye bye. Look at these trucks carrying windmills. These are the like fans of windmill. Views, they are very big. And sun is about to set. And I reached Bankapur now. Still 450 kilometers more to go. And it's already close to 6.